Some reason you're scared of snow, ain't that right? Ain't that right? You're scared of snow? I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is pretty much Rosie's first time ever really seeing snow. And she does not like snow. She does not like snow. She hates it. First time I showed her that this morning, she flew off. Yep, there she goes. There you go. I have no idea why. Why do you hate snow? Why do you hate snow? Not only that, we've got a Christmas tree up. Rosie also seems to hate the Christmas tree. No idea why. Why do you hate Christmas? Or at least things that have to do with Christmas. Why is it so dark in your gosh dang corner? Seriously, no one can see your beautiful colors. Come on. Let's get you someplace brighter. There you go. Yeah, that's pretty good. You want to say hi to everybody? Want to say hi? You can see all your beautiful features. Look at that big bird on the screen. That's you. That's you right there. You know that? That's you. Kiss it. Hey, that's my finger. Don't bite my finger now. Well, that's an epic shot right there. The mighty bird. Yeah. She got scared of that light that was on the screen. That's the light up there. That's up there. Man, I am not good with recording of such a device. That's literally all I had. There's nothing else to this. Rosie, do something funny. Do something funny. Do something funny. Do something funny. Don't bite the camera, please. That'd be very bad. That is my finger, thank you very much. I would love to keep that for the rest of my life. Merry Christmas, everyone, including you. Yeah, you heard me. You want some very resolution. This is your part. Christmas gift that you get. Hopefully you all also had a Merry Christmas. So see you in another video. As always, in every other video.